Okay, so I'm going to turn on the propane here, and after I've turned that on, I go to my main cylinder valve, I guess, and if you look right back beneath there, there's a little pin that you can see right in there. And I can get it from the other side, just not from here. Anyways, you want to prime it. You'll hear kind of a kick in just a few times. Notice my gas is shut off. It is much easier to start it when you have gas going. When I fine-tuned it here on the side, this is kind of your idle control. This is how much fuel is being pushed out of here. So depending on where you want to and how much fuel mix you want to put in there, you do it from this pin here. It tells me in the book never to switch or to touch this one right here. I don't know why, I don't know what it's for, just don't touch it. So therefore we have everything basically is ready to go, except for we'll make sure that it's on the on position and that it's not pulling. Mine has a switch that we're not pulling any watts out of this, so it'll make it easier to start it. And now we will attempt to start it. So I don't know why the choke works on it, but let's try it. My voltmeter, if you can see it. This is at 240. And this is at 210, or excuse me, 120. And I have brought out a heater as an extension cord just to show you. I've already turned it on, but as I flip my switch, still up to 120. This is my heater, and we have hot air.